Alright, let's do an example. We'll do g of x is equal to 3 times by 2 to the power of x minus or plus 2. In this case, we'll do plus 2, which means that there will be an upward shift, and we'll need to mark the intercept and the asymptotes. Step 1, always do your a first. So a is positive, which means it's greater than 1. Q is positive, and it's a shift upwards by 2 units. Your b is also greater than 1, therefore your shift is upwards and your direction is also upwards. Step 2, find the intercept. We'll do the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So for the y, we say x is equal to 0. We write our equation out, and then we plug it in. Where x is, we say 0. Theoretically, where it says g of x, it should say g of 0. And we are left with an answer of 5. So when we have our y-intercept, it will be 0, 5. That's our first point. Easy game so far. We're also looking for our x-intercept, so we also realize that because there's an upward shift of 2 units, there won't be any x-intercept. Let's look at our asymptotes. We say our asymptote, we can clearly see it's 2, but let's just do a check. So let's say y is equal to q, so y is equal to 2. There we go. Therefore, we put in our asymptote over there. It's a horizontal one. It's actually an upward shift of your exponential graph. You put your point in, which is 0, 5. And your asymptote along with your function. So now you draw your function in, on the left-hand side through the point 0, 5 upwards in the shape of a lovely exponential curve. Lastly, we look at our domain range, and our asymptote is already announced. Our domain goes from positive infinity all the way to negative infinity, and our range is limited to any number for y that is greater than 2. Take note that there's no axis of symmetry.